Alright, we're here today to conclude the planting of 1,500 signs of pineapple. This is volunteer Emmanuel Brown, who has been very energetic and strong in making sure that we complete the planting of our pineapple sign. Today it's raining though, but we still have to kind of volunteer of TRF so that the goal of our executive director can be met. So hopefully today we are going to complete the planting of the 1,500 signs of pineapple. Thanks to all of our donors, our supporters, and those who have kept us in prayer. This is Emmanuel Brown, who is doing the digging of the hole for us today. And here is Johnson Brown. Johnson is the one responsible today to ensure that he covers the pineapple, place it properly in the hole, as you can see, putting the dirt around it and making sure that it grows well. Johnson, put your face so let people see you. Okay, this is Johnson. And what you needed for us, our farm manager has involved 3 of his children who have been very helpful in this farm work. So this is Johnson, who has been very instrumental too in making sure that the dream of TRC is realized. So we're here today on our farm in Lower County.